Hey guys, welcome to this new iPhone tutorial. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off tap to wake on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, then this video is going to show you how you can easily turn on tap to wake so that when your iPhone screen is off, then you can just double tap it to wake the iPhone screen or double tap it to lock the iPhone screen. So if you done all of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off tap to wake on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on accessibility. Now once you selected accessibility, scroll down the page, tap touch. Now on this page, locate tap to wake. You see, wake the screen when you tap the display. So if you enable this and then your iPhone screen is locked, all you just need to do is double tap this and that's going to wake your iPhone screen. So if this is disabled, just go ahead and enable this to turn on tap to wake on your iPhone. Now to disable or turn off tap to wake, repeat the process. Tap this to turn it off, and when next your iPhone screen is locked, you will no longer be able to wake the iPhone screen by just double tapping the display. You see that? So that is how to turn on or turn off tap to wake on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.